Hey everybody, I'm Raquel Martin, your local real estate agent, and today I'm here with Bill Schmauch. He is the owner of State Farm Insurance here in Old Greenwich. At some point in your life, you're gonna need insurance, whether it's car insurance, homeowner's insurance, renter insurance, or life insurance to protect your family. And Bill is the guy you want to talk to. He's super knowledgeable, he's been in the business a really long time, and he's a great guy. So Bill's gonna tell us a little bit about what he does. Hey, Bill.
How you doing, Raquel? Nice to see you.
Thank you. Nice
Thanks
to
for
see
coming
you.
down.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah.
So, tell us a little bit about insurance. What do you do here?
Sure. So we've been here in Old Greenwich for about 14 years. We specialize in auto, home, and life insurance predominantly. I have a team of 5 fully licensed professionals here to help. There's a lot of companies you can choose from, but we like to give a level of personalized service that you're not going to find from most other companies. And it's worked really well for us here in town, and we're just happy to be here to be able to help people when they need it.
So, one thing that everybody knows, there are a million insurance companies out there to choose from, right?
Yep.
So, what also makes you stand out is you're a local insurance agent.
Mm-hmm.
So you live locally.
Yeah.
And not only are you living locally, you are supporting the town as well.
Absolutely.
And when you support the town thrives. And when the town thrives, your home values thrive.
Yep.
And it's a win-win situation.
It's a win-win situation.
So when you use a local insurance agent, you're supporting your town, you're supporting small business, you're supporting Bill having his kids in local activities after school. So I'm a big proponent of shopping and supporting local businesses.
Sure, absolutely. And it's great because you get to know people on a personal level in town that maybe you wouldn't have have met otherwise. And it's nice to be able to see people in the grocery store to say hello. They know I'm there, and if things go bad, and they do unfortunately happen, bad things do unfortunately happen, they know that they can come talk to me to walk them through whatever issue that they have. And they're going to always deal with the same people, whether it be myself or any of my team members that they deal with regularly, to get them through those bad times and to guide them properly. So it's
right. You're not going to
really
call
nice
and get some random person. You're always going to get
us. We're here from 9 to 6 every day, and if for whatever reason you need to get us after that, we do have a 24-hour service that covers you. But ultimately, you can get to me if you do need to through other ways by calling into the office directly, and they can patch you through on those off times. But that's really what we try to do, is make ourselves as available as possible to you, so that you have a level of comfort that you wouldn't normally have with another agency or company.
And that's what sets themselves apart.
That's what sets it apart.
From everybody else.
State Farm set this framework to let people that come into these businesses really, you've got a phenomenal brand. I bet my family's future on the brand itself, because I don't sell any other products. It's just strictly State Farm. 14 years ago, because I believed in it. I was a client prior to this. I've actually been on the claims side a couple times myself.
Yeah.
It does happen. And they give you the flexibility as an owner to really kick it up a notch and provide that level of personalized service in your agency to truly set you apart from what you're going to get from other companies. And it's worked out great, and I really enjoy what I do.
That's fabulous.
Yeah.
So just getting into the nitty-gritty of things, and specifically what you guys really do.
Yeah.
If you work with the current company you have as far as insurance is a big company, the big companies where you're calling in an 800 number and you're getting just some random person.
Yeah. It happens in those situations. You're really just treated more like a number and not a name. And we've compartmentalized these agencies. The way State Farm has it set up is that you're much more than just a name. There's just a number. You're actually a name, and we just encourage you to call us whenever there's a question, or whenever there's a concern, or whenever there's a potential claim may or may not have happened.
Right. Because if you call the major companies,
you're just a number, and you're going to go right into processing.
Your claim is going to be marked down.
Yeah.
Where they can call you and say, "Hey, do I put this claim in? What are my options?" And it's not going to be marked against you.
Right. Exactly. And here we'll be able to at least guide you in the right direction to see whether or not a claim is justified or valid. Right.
That's why it's good.
It's
Having a local
plus.
agent who knows you can trust.
Yep. And we're always available. So it's a nice additional personalized service that we have that really truly sets us apart. And I've structured the office to make sure that everybody's got that same kind of passion to make the clients happy. And luckily for me, I have a phenomenal team. I couldn't be happier with them, and they're great. And I always receive positive feedback from my clients on a daily basis, attesting to that fact.
And you're awesome too.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.